In the 12th chapter of How to Make Your First Million, Vincent Arte delves into the profound theme of overcoming financial obstacles. Aptly titled Overcoming Financial Obstacles, this chapter serves as a beacon of guidance for readers facing challenges on their wealth-building journey. Arte navigates the intricate landscape of setbacks, hurdles, and unforeseen financial crises, providing strategic insights and actionable advice to empower readers in their pursuit of financial success. The chapter unfolds with Arte acknowledging the inevitability of financial obstacles on the path to wealth. He sets the tone by reframing challenges as opportunities for growth, resilience, and transformative learning. Arte's narrative challenges readers to perceive obstacles not as insurmountable barriers, but as stepping stones toward greater financial acumen. Arte initiates the exploration by categorizing financial obstacles into distinct types, ranging from personal setbacks to global economic crises. By providing a comprehensive taxonomy, he equips readers with a nuanced understanding of the diverse challenges they may encounter. This categorization serves as a foundation for the chapter, enabling readers to identify, anticipate, and navigate obstacles with greater precision. A central theme woven throughout the chapter is the psychological resilience needed to overcome financial obstacles. Arte delves into the intricacies of mindset, emphasizing the role of a positive and adaptive mentality in facing challenges. He introduces readers to the concept of the obstacle mindset, an approach that views challenges as temporary roadblocks rather than permanent hindrances. Arte's insights empower readers to cultivate a mindset that not only withstands financial turbulence, but thrives amidst it. Arte addresses the importance of self-awareness in overcoming financial obstacles. He encourages readers to assess their risk tolerance, emotional responses to setbacks, and behavioral patterns. This introspective journey allows readers to identify areas of vulnerability and implement targeted strategies for personal development. Arte's insights underscore the symbiotic relationship between self-awareness and financial resilience. The exploration deepens as Arte guides readers through practical strategies for navigating specific financial obstacles. He addresses common challenges such as debt accumulation, unexpected expenses, and income fluctuations. Arte provides a toolkit of actionable advice, offering readers practical steps for debt management, emergency fund creation, and budgetary adjustments. The chapter serves as a resourceful guide for readers facing immediate financial challenges. Arte introduces readers to the concept of a financial contingency plan, a personalized strategy for anticipating and mitigating potential obstacles. He underscores the proactive nature of this approach, emphasizing the importance of preparing for challenges before they manifest. Arte's insights empower readers to build a robust financial infrastructure that can withstand the shocks of unforeseen events. The narrative unfolds as Arte explores the role of financial education in overcoming obstacles. He underscores the transformative power of knowledge, providing readers with resources and insights to bolster their financial literacy. Arte's commitment to demystifying financial concepts enables readers to approach challenges with clarity and informed decision-making. Arte delves into the significance of adaptability in navigating financial obstacles. He encourages readers to embrace change, adjust their financial strategies, and explore new avenues for income generation. Arte's insights illuminate the dynamic nature of wealth building and position adaptability as a cornerstone of long-term financial success. A pivotal theme throughout the chapter is resilience in the face of market fluctuations. Arte navigates readers through the volatile terrain of economic downturns, recessions, and market uncertainties. He provides insights into strategic investment approaches, risk mitigation strategies, and the importance of maintaining a long-term perspective. Arte's exploration of market dynamics equips readers to weather financial storms with fortitude and strategic acumen. Arte addresses the interplay between financial obstacles and mental well-being. He acknowledges the emotional toll of setbacks and provides readers with strategies for maintaining mental health during challenging times. Arte's insights underscore the holistic nature of wealth building, emphasizing the interconnectedness of financial and emotional well-being. The exploration gains depth as Arte delves into the concept of collaborative problem-solving. He encourages readers to seek support from financial advisors, mentors, and a trusted network. Arte's insights highlight the transformative impact of collective wisdom and position collaboration as a powerful tool for overcoming complex financial challenges. The chapter unfolds as Arte guides readers through the process of turning setbacks into stepping stones. He shares stories of individuals who transformed financial adversities into opportunities for growth and success. These real-life examples serve as beacons of inspiration, illustrating the transformative power of resilience and determination. Arte concludes the chapter with a call to action, challenging readers to view financial obstacles not as impediments, but as catalysts for growth. He positions overcoming challenges as an integral part of the wealth-building journey, fostering a mindset that views setbacks as valuable lessons rather than permanent defeats. In conclusion, overcoming financial obstacles emerges as a pivotal chapter in Vincent Arte's wealth-building narrative. Through a blend of psychological insights, practical strategies, and real-world examples, Arte equips readers with the tools needed to navigate and conquer financial challenges. Whether facing personal setbacks or global economic crises, readers are empowered to embrace an obstacle mindset, cultivate resilience, and emerge from challenges with newfound wisdom and financial strength. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Don't miss out on the full version of the best-selling personal finance book, How to Make Your First Million, by Vincent Arte. Visit vincentarte.com now to grab your copy and embark on the journey to financial freedom. And that's not all. Everyone who buys a book through our website will have the unique opportunity, courtesy of Vincent Arte, to secure lifelong passive income for themselves.